Hello everyone, this is Sana from Allama Iqbal Open University, Pakistan, and welcome back. Until now in this course, you have learnt about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now the next step is Jquery. Jquery is an excellent, fast and feature-rich library of JavaScript with a wonderful motto of write less, do more. You can say it is the compressed version of JavaScript because many tasks that require a number of lines in JavaScript are accomplished and fulfilled by a single line of code through Jquery. In this video lecture, I'm going to show you how to start with Jquery. There are two styles to use Jquery library for a project: local installation and the CDN-based version. With local installation, you can include Jquery library in your HTML code after downloading it from its official website. To download the latest version of Jquery, visit www.jquery.com. After downloading, add the Jquery file in the directory of your project. And then what you are going to do is to add a script tag and a source to it. By putting this in your page code, nothing changes because Jquery doesn't do anything. It gives you a library of commands from which you can do things. Okay, let us start with the code. Open the notepad file with basic HTML structure. Add a script tag, specify the type to text/JavaScript. Okay, now this is the Jquery min file. In the source, specify the Jquery min file address. Now add another script tag, and inside it I'm going to write my JavaScript. So what you have to remember to start with Jquery is one thing, and this is the memorization part for you. Once you get through this, you are actually transferred to Jquery, and here you go, $. This $sign is the value that is given to the Jquery library when it loads up. So anytime you want to refer Jquery, you hit $. So you write document.ready, and besides it, you write function. Let's save the file and run. Okay, the next one is CDN-based version. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. If you are going to develop an online project, you don't need to download Jquery library. You can simply include the Jquery library from Content Delivery Network into your HTML code. Okay, let's do that. In the code, you just have to specify source to online address of the CDN-based version of Jquery. Okay, these are the ways to use Jquery in your project. Now let's move towards the basic syntax of using it. The Jquery syntax is tailor-made for selecting HTML elements and performing some actions on the elements. This is the basic syntax. A $sign is to define or access Jquery, a selector to query or find HTML elements, a Jquery action to be performed on the elements. These are some of the examples. Let's move towards another concept in Jquery. Jquery selectors allow you to select and manipulate HTML elements. Jquery selector starts with $sign and parentheses. We can find HTML elements by their names, class, attributes, values of attributes, and much more with the help of Jquery selectors. We have two types of Jquery selectors, element selector and ID selector. The Jquery element selector selects elements based on the element name. You can select all P elements on a page like this, where ID selector uses the ID attribute of an HTML tag to find the specific element. An ID should be unique within a page, so you should use the hashtag ID selector where you want to find a single unique element. So in this video, you have learned how to use Jquery, its basic syntax, and about different Jquery selectors. Hope you enjoyed learning. See you in the next video.